I am also going to fix my spice rack. As you can see, it's a mess right now. Hello beautiful people! Welcome to my channel. Yes, we are now in my house in Manila and we are on quarantine yet again. A year later, nandito pa rin tayo. Recently, on my Instagram, I have shared that I've had friends and loved ones who were infected by COVID. I'm telling you, hindi siya joke. Alam mo yung parang kapag malapit na pala sa'yo, kapag na-experience mo na siya, mas lalo siyang nakakatakot. I also know that it is a privilege to be able to stay home. I know that there are people who cannot do this. They have to be able to put food on the table. Para dun sa mga kaya namang manatili sa bahay, manatili na lang tayo sa bahay to take care of one another. But on a positive note, syempre, quarantine time means we have more time to clean our homes, organize our homes, and contrary to what my mom said last week, naburara daw ako at hindi ako mahilig mag-ayos ng bahay.
Kasi ate, alam mo, ikaw kaya madalas mawala gamit mo. Burara ka eh.
I beg to disagree because if you have watched my house tour video, you would know na I am big on labels. Yes, I am. No, I like organizing my home, and when I'm feeling down, it's the best thing that I want to do because I feel like whenever I am organizing my home, I am able to compartmentalize my feelings and deal with them one day at a time. It is also my way of protecting my mental health, which is very important, especially now that we are dealing with so many crazy things in life. Recently, I have discovered a product that helped me a lot in labeling things at home. The Epson LabelWorks! I love this product so much. If you know me, alam mo na hindi ako techie and I don't like products that are complicated. This one is very self-explanatory. It's also portable. It is battery operated, but you can also connect it to your computer, and it also has a plug if you want that. Actually, I just carry it at home. I just carry it all over the place. I'll show you later how I organized my pantry and also my spice rack and my fridge. So shall we? So it's kind of a mess here right now. And here's my pantry. I am going to fix it. I am also going to fix my spice rack. As you can see, it's a mess right now. And also my other rack, which contains all my oils, balsamic vinegar. And on this episode, I'm also going to fix my fridge because we don't want to spoil any food. So we are going to put yung mga expiration dates also sa aking freezer. Now it's time to refill my quinoa container to there. Voila! Yan. So, sariling sikap to. DIY because quarantine. Nagawa ni Ivan yan as tags from this. Look at that. It's a gift from someone and then we're turning it into tags. See? The first thing that you have to do is just download the app Epson iLabel on App Store. It's also available on Google Play if you are using an Android. The second thing that you have to do is connect that via Bluetooth. And the rest is self-explanatory. There are many fonts that are available on this app. Also, you can choose frames. So you can be creative. You can use different types of tapes. They have metallic tapes. They have different sizes of tapes depending on your preference. And they also have a magnetic tape. So we are now in my pantry yet again. During my home renovation, doon lang ako nagpatayo ng isang room especially for my food. Before my renovation, yung pantry ko used to look like this. Maliit lang talaga siya. The thing about me is that I like storing my food in their proper containers. Sabi nga ni Khloe Kardashian, everything that I own has their own home. And I like that. It may seem like I have a big pantry, pero sa totoo lang, lahat ng tao dito sa bahay, dito rin sila kumukuha ng pagkain. And I make sure I do not waste food. I will show you how I organize my food in my pantry. This will serve also as a pantry tour. Let me start by showing you how I categorize my food. By kind kasi siya. So, dito sa taas, nandito normally yung mga canned goods ko. Using my Epson LabelWorks, nilalagyan ko sila ng expiration date. Dapat pinauuna nating gamitin yung mga pagkain yan because it is really bad to waste food, lalo na sa panahon ngayon at lalo na marami tayong kababayan na nagugutom, hindi ba? I also have my pasta sauces there and I also have my almond flour. Whenever I would bake, I always have this as an alternative. I am also in love with cereals, so I have these. Alam ko it's an extra expense to spend on like containers or baskets, but I'm telling you it's worth it and it doesn't have to be expensive. These are not expensive and you will use it for a long time. So I suggest you invest in them just to make it look more pretty and ilalagyan ko rin siya ng expiration date. Ewan ko kung ako lang. Pero I hate it kapag hinahanap ko yung expiration date, lalo na kapag nagmamadali ka. So, I make sure I label them. I have grains here. I have quinoa. I have chia seeds. And I'm running out of chia seeds. I have mixed nuts here. Also, my snacks. I have trail mix, M&M's, dried fruits, and I feed... Actually, this is Walter's favorite. I also place my pastas here. And by the way, another hack. Lahat ng ginagamit ko, glass talaga, glass containers. It's more earth-friendly. And right over here are my snacks. Well, hindi lang sila sa akin. Kapag may mga pinsan ako na pumupunta dito sa bahay, it's easier to host. Over here naman, I place like the big bags. So I have my Japanese breadcrumbs right over here. My noodles, my sugar. Also my coffee beans for my coffee machine. My instant coffee. I have spices here. I also have a spice rack that I'll show you later, but the rest of my spices are here. This is my baking corner. I have all-purpose flour here, brown sugar. Next time, I will show you my other baking supplies. These are my yogurt jellies. And of course, my KitchenAid is right over here. Since medyo mataas yung pantry natin, I also place a stool here so that I can easily get my food from over there. So lahat talaga ng compartments, lahat talaga ng shelves and spaces, nagagamit ko dito sa pantry ko. Like here, dito ko nilalagay yung pang Korean grill namin kapag nagsasanggipsal kami. Andito yung mga boxes ko for baking. Ice buckets are here. And my lemon juicer. And by the way, baka nagtataka kayo, bakit naman nagpa-pantry tour lang ako, nakakulot pa ako, tsaka naka-makeup ako, diba? Tsaka naka-alahas talaga ako. You know why? Because nga, as I said kanina, it's very important for you to protect your mental health. If it makes you feel good, do it. Who cares, diba? Even if you're just home, as long as you feel good, that's the most important thing. So that's what I did today. Anyway, on to the tour. So I have corned beef here, I have canned goods there, na meron pa rin nakalagay na expiration date. Also baskets here. So I have my Korean snacks. Kakanood natin to ng mga K-drama. Naiingit ako sa kanila kapag nakikita ko sila. So I have seaweed here, of course. Different Korean snacks here. Of course, syempre, meron din akong Filipino snacks. I have durian bizcocho de Davao. Sa totoo lang, may nagbigay sa akin ng isang bag of goodies from Davao. Thank you. She's a fan who gave me this. Lahat durian, made of durian. Kakaubos ko lang ng chocnut. But meron din ako nito, chocomani. Ito yung isa, durian tart, tamarind. Here naman, I have my taco shells and nachos. Mahilig din ako kasi gumawa ng mga dips. May mga healthier stuff naman like kale chips, dried pineapple, all that stuff. Whenever I would decide to create smoothies, yung mga green juice, I use these. My Korean noodles, just because. Over here, I have different juices. And then also here, I have different kinds of teas. Lalo na kapag may bisitang gusto magtsaa. I'm sure you can find creative ways to make use of your old bottles or mason jars and create a beautiful space for your food. I have my peppercorns here. I have munggo. I have arborio rice, adlay. Again, snacks, I have choco wafer sticks. I have peanuts. I have granola. And of course, different oils. So I got these trays from a department store where I got my baskets. It's really pretty. As you can see, parang perfect yung size niya for this area. Actually, you can use also, if you can find yung mga small Lazy Susan, but I opted not to use them. Yung width kasi nitong shelves ko are really, really tiny. So, syempre, dahil it's a pantry and family member din, si Walter, he has his own tray. So, this is where I keep Walter's treats. Walter! Oh my gosh! There you go. Malis na siya. Ganun lang siya. I have different sauces over here. I have hot sauce, sriracha, and everything. Bagoong, chili sauce, sinantolan, hoisin sauce, everything. And then pickled food over here. So I have pickled relish, I have olives here and there. So that's my pantry. So I hope I was able to inspire you in organizing your own pantry. It doesn't have to be this big. Sa totoo lang, you can have a small pantry and be able to organize it properly. I'm telling you, it will make you feel good after. And sa totoo lang, nakakatulong din para hindi kayo magsayang ng pagkain. Importante talaga na gumamit kayo ng labels so that you know already kung ano yung mag-expire sa hindi. Kung mag-expire na at ayaw nyo kainin, edi magluto kayo, ipamigay ninyo. And now, I'm gonna show you also my spice rack. So we are now in my kitchen and as you know, I love to cook. At para mas madali ko makuha yung spices, I keep them here. And before, hindi siya ganito ka-organized. So, I decided to purchase this little containers online and I decided to put labels on them para mas madali din siyang kuhanin kapag nagluluto ako. Basil. By the way, I used the metallic tape from Epson and I have different oils and condiments here. I have fish sauce, grapeseed oil, sesame oil, olive oil. I have Worcestershire sauce. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Worcestershire sauce. I also have another rack right here. Tsaka diba, ang dali-dali niya. Ang dali-dali niyang kuhanin. Galit si Walter. Nakita na naman siya ng pusa sa labas. So, I'm telling you, it's way better to label your spices and put them in proper containers right away. And now, I'm gonna show you my fridge. So, this is my fridge. I decided to put this here. Papakita ko lang sa inyo na this one, it's a magnetic tape from Epson. It says, things to do. You can leave notes here and stuff. And my note is be kind today. Be kind every single day. So I will show you my ref. Ta-da! I have sparkling water here. I like drinking sparkling water. I have tonic water here for gin. I have different kinds of fruits. I don't remember if I got this from, eto mga containers na to, if I got this from SNR or True Value. Basta, isa sa mga stores na yon. And I figured sobrang laking tulong niya in keeping my ref looking clean. And actually, mas madali silang linisin kasi you just have to pull it out like that and then wash it. And I also have my eggs here. Kagabi ko lang nalaman na dapat hindi mo pala siya tinatanggal dun sa tray niya. Para yata mas matagal yung shelf life. But also, another hack is that to keep it in your fridge. Not here sa side kasi dito yung hindi masyadong lumalamig. But dito sa gitna ng fridge ninyo. To have a longer shelf life. Here, I keep my butter here and my other stuff. And by the way, this is how I made use of my Epson again. I put the expiration date right over here para hindi maiinom ng expired. And then, since hindi na tayo masyado nakakababa like this, diba, to see kung ano yung nakalagay doon, I decided to put also labels here that says Korean. Again, I have my Korean corner here. I have my yogurt area here. And of course, hindi naman lahat healthy. Lahat ng tsokolate nandyan, di ba? Alam nyo na, ang hili ko sa queso. I love cheese, so I keep them here. Tomatoes! I have my tomatoes there para kukuhanin na lang. Roasted chestnuts. Actually, my cousin Ivan lives with me. It's his. And I have prunes here. Alam mo na. Alam mo na kung para saan yan. Prunes for when you are constipated. Char. So, by the way, ito pala isang hack. Nakapanood ko dun sa Close CD episode ni Khloe Kardashian that she keeps baking soda inside her ref para daw hindi mangamoy yung ref. Pero sa lola ko, naalala ko, she keeps charcoal naman inside her ref para hindi mangamoy. So I guess pareho lang sila. It does the job the same way. But nakita ko lang to sa supermarket. So I got this and put it inside my ref. So that's how I label things inside my ref. And here, ito naman ang freezer. Ito very important to us. At makikita mo, ito yung mga labels na to. It is waterproof. So, nilalagay namin yung mga frozen meats namin dyan. At nilalagyan namin siya ng label. Kasi ang hirap, di ba, magsusoka, tapos hindi mo alam kung ano yung sinuso mo. This is how we keep our food. So there, that's my fridge. There are so many ways to use your Epson LabelWorks in organizing your home. You can organize your office, o kaya ngayon dahil nag-home study yung mga bata, pwede rin nilang gamitin yon in organizing their school supplies. And I'm gonna show you another way to use your Epson LabelWorks. Come. So, if you are like me na maraming light switches inside your home, and kapag may mga bisita kayo, you can always put labels there, like these 3 switches are for the living area, yan yung garden lamps, living area, and then porch, and then the ceiling fan outside. It's easier, it's more convenient. Ito very important, at least wala kayo maiiwan na light or fan na nakabukas sa labas ng bahay. Kasi syempre, science sa kuryente. You can also use the QR code feature in your Epson LabelWorks app to organize your storage room, like this one. And then I'll print. So there you have it, guys. I hope you're able to learn a hack or two on how to properly use your Epson LabelWorks. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and always remember, life is beautiful. Bye! Stay safe!